You mentioned outbreaks and recalls for Salmonella in hummus. What specifically is the root cause of the Salmonella contamination in sesame seeds, and what is interventions would you suggest?
Yeah, it's a good question because hummus is just like chocolate and some of the other low moisture foods is a food that's actually very difficult to treat. From a thermal processing perspective, we see salmonella coming in seeds now, so it must where it originates from is a good question, but we do see it in these raw materials like sesame seed. But when sesame seed are ground and then they are meant to be heat treated, this is quite a challenge, is to do a sufficient heat treatment to kill the salmonella. And then this is where it ends up in some of these low moisture foods, or it may be a result of cross contamination at a plant where you get, if the zoning is not done properly, etc. But the intervention, thermal processing is probably the best intervention that we know, as regards, let's say, a critical control point for the treatment of salmonella and these low moisture foods, but we know it is challenging. But there's all the other prerequisite programs which have to be taken care of. So really, from the good agricultural practice right through to things like hygienic engineering, cleaning and sanitation, etc., etc.